Blueberry lemon ganache. Hello everyone, today we make a special ganache bonbon with chocolate world mold. You can see how the beautiful is ganache. We will do it with a very simple way. Let's start. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. This is my job. I have a lot of skill in pastry, bakery, and garnish. All in this channel. Let me know what kind of cookies, mousse, cake, bread, gluten-free, vegan you want, and I will do it especially for you. All new modern technique you will find in my channel, Sugar Emperor. Here we start spraying the mold. If you didn't see how to color cacao butter, please watch. I will leave the link in the description box below. 100 gram cacao butter, 45 degree, 10 gram blue color, and then emulsify, then strain and tempering 29 degree. We make another one with white color, 100 gram cacao butter, 9 to 10 gram titanium oxide or white color. We emulsify and then strain. I leave it in room temperature, minimum 6 hours. Then I tempering white chocolate as you see. I fill all the mold with sufficient amount of the chocolate. And very important step, when you have chocolate mold with many edges, you must shake it very well, at least from 50 to 70 seconds. Then you can clean the mold, leave it little bit, and upside down to empty all the chocolate. It's depend about the temperature of the room. The perfect temperature to use chocolate bonbon from 18 to 22 Celsius. Now I clean the mold, I empty the chocolate, and you can see both color, blue and white. I keep the mold to crystallize, and now I start to prepare the filling or the ganache. 120 gram blueberry juice or blueberry concentrate, 20 gram tourmaline, 10 milliliter. This is the tourmaline. Tourmaline, we call it also invert sugar. And if you want the recipe, you will find in my channel. I will leave the description box below the link how to make tourmaline. Then 1.5 gram sorbitol, which give shell life to the mousse. 10 gram of lemon juice. And now we have 2 things left. I bring all this to boil. In the side, I have 30 gram of butter and 300 gram of chocolate white. 50 gram fresh cream on top of the juice. Let's simmering, because when simmering, it takes much infuse the flavor inside the ganache. Now we have everything. I boil the all ingredient, then I pour on top white chocolate. And when the white chocolate mixture emulsify with hand blender, I wait until becomes 30 degree to 33 degree. And this is the time I can add it the butter. When I added butter to the ganache, it's bring flavor up, is lift the aroma and make it really smooth and rich. Then, as you see, I fill the mold with the ganache, and you can leave 2 millimeter empty so you can cover with your dark chocolate. I decided to cover with dark chocolate because the ganache is sweet. I need something to make balance with the taste. So I cover the mold with the tempering dark chocolate 55%. If I can see there is one shell is not full enough, so I can increase. That's why I must make the piping back very small cut. You can see I shell the mold 10 minutes in the fridge just to set the surface, and then I cover with dark chocolate 55%. Please watch the video how to color the cocoa butter and how to make tourmaline, because it's very useful video. It will save you a lot. You can see I take one cover and then I feel it need more because the ganache is so soft. I leave this shell to crystallize 10-15 minutes in room temperature, and then I added another layer just to make a perfect closing for my mold.
You finish.
Now, as you see, I create the beautiful mold. What I'm doing now, I just keep it in the fridge 10 to 15 minutes. It's depend about your capacity of the fridge, and you have amazing bonbon. Now you can see the beautiful lemon blueberry mousse. I wish if you like this video, you must leave a comment, tell us what you like in this video and tell us what we can improve, and most of all, you participate and subscribe the channel and make like. Whatever you want in chocolate world, you just ask me, I will do it very soon.